Good morning, students. I hope everybody is fine. So today we are going to continue where we stop. So today is what? Letter F. So the subject is what? English. So I want you to look at these pictures here. Now you can be able to identify this picture. So what is this picture? We are looking at this place. So now this picture is what? Flower. So when you see flower, you know what is flower, and you know that flower come from what? Plant. When we are talking about plant, this is flower. So many plants, we get flower from many plants. So when we are talking about flower, you know that we have different flowers, and we have different colors. So when we are talking about rose flowers, hibiscus flowers, so all these flower, when you see flower, you can able to identify flower. So, but let us see the letter. The letter is what? F. So when we talk about flower, you remember that the letter of flower, starting flower is what? F. Like when we want to talk about the F words, you can see that we have what we call flag. So when we talk about flag, we can able to say you have, Thailand flag and other country flags. So now let us see the how many letters in flowers. So when we count letters in flowers, you can see that flower starting with what? F. F L O W E R. So in this case, this is word flower. The word flower is this. So in this case now, you see how we are going to start. That the letter of flower is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 letters make up what? Word flower words. So now let us see. For you to complete the words here, you can see that we have F here. So the next one is what? L. You write L here. O W E R. So now this is flower. So when you come down here, you can see that we have sentence. So this is sentence here. I see a flower. So now you can see this one. You complete the letters here. F L O W E R is what? Flower. So, and you can see that I see a flower means what? One flower. This is a flower. One. So remember what I taught you about last time. You see that letter E, I use elephant to give you example. So we make sentence that I see an, because of the letter E. So now you can see that this one is I see a flower. So that is one flower. You can look at this and how many pictures do you see here now? Is one. That means one flower. So that is the most important thing for you to understand the sentence here. So next one is what? Do you like flower? So now we can able to, you know that this is question, we can able to put what? Question mark here. So because we don't put question mark here, when we write it complete, we can able to put what? Question mark, to show that this is what? Question. So when you look at this one now, you can see that this one is what? Question. Do you like flower? So the question mark will come up here, okay, to show that is what? Question. So what I want you to do is that to write the flower complete and put what? Question mark, to show that is what? Question. So I hope that you understand the sentence, how we arrange it here about flowers. So from the beginning, you're supposed to understand that flower contain how many letters in the flowers. You ask yourself how many letters in flowers. You count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 letters. Okay. So now when you are writing it, you understand the spelling, you will now memorize the spelling of flowers. That is the most important things you need to understand from what you are going to do. This is your homework, and please don't forget to color the flowers. Color it beautiful, and make sure that you write all the letters, complete it, write it correct, and put question mark here. So I want to know who will put question mark to show that you understand that this one is what question. So please try to understand what I am doing here, and I want you to understand a little bit what you are doing. But if you don't put the question mark, no problem. I will still explain all this later. Okay? So, but I want you to just understand what you are doing, and I want to know the one who will write it correct. So that is what you are going to do here, and do the homework perfect, do it correct. Okay, so read, write, and color the flowers. Color the flower. Okay, make sure that you color it, use any color you like to color it, and color it beautiful. And do what after doing your homework, please don't forget to take picture and send it to our group album, so that I will see what you do in group album. And don't forget to write your name, so that I will see what you do there, and know whether you understand about this letter F. So you understand what we did here, and please, after writing it, read it by yourself, practice by yourself, so that you understand this sentence. So we have just two sentences here. One is what? I see a flower. Now this one, I see a flower, is a sentence. So the next one is question. The question here is that what? Do you like flowers? Do you like flower? So now if you want to give the answer, you can say yes, I do, short answer, or I like flower. So that is the question. This one now, question, do you like flower? That is question here. So please don't forget to do your homework and do it and color your pictures. Be a good girl, be a good boy. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.